Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by building the skeleton. Create a new sheet and add headers: date, event, start time, end time, tags. This organizes data for formulas. Once done, format the date column as date and time columns as time so sorting and calculations work reliably. Make sure to freeze the header row so you can scroll. Now enter a few sample rows to test. This step reveals formatting errors early and prevents later formula failures. Now you'll transform rows into a calendar-friendly view. Use array formula to autofill derived values and text to format display. For example, create weekday and month helper columns so you can group events. Next, combine date and start time into a start timestamp for sorting and conflict checks. Once helper columns are solid, add a filtered view or pivot table to show 1 week or month at a time. This gives you a dynamic layout you can share or export. Finish by enabling collaboration and optional automation. Share the sheet with precise edit or view permissions so others can add events without breaking formulas. If you want events in Google Calendar, connect with AppScript or Zapier to push rows as calendar entries. Test with one event first. If something breaks, check 3 things: cell formats, your time zone settings, and that array formula ranges didn't shift. Fixing those results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.